Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming.
Hello guys, welcome once again. Just a quick video on Yardie Belly TV, and this morning I have some Ackees, right? And I just thought to myself, I'll show you guys how Ackee looks in its raw stage and how you quickly prepare Ackee for consumption. All right, first thing, when the Ackee comes, it is in a pod, right? Let me show you. The pod is usually closed up like this on the tree. All right, as a matter of fact, let me show you the Ackee tree. The Ackee tree, this is actually a small one, and when the Ackees are, you know, are fit, they look like this on the tree. All right, now we have allowed some of them, as you can see, some of them they got spoiled, you know, if you allow them to stay for too long, but this is an immature tree, and so you might find one or two that is open, and as you can see, when it is open, this is how it looks. All right, this is how the Ackee looks. But yes guys, most Jamaican will have a little Ackee tree growing in their yard. This is the first time this one has bear any fruits, so we're not really pressuring it right now. We'll allow it to do its thing, yeah. But for now, let me show you how to utilize the Ackee in preparing food. Right, so once you pick your Ackee, as I showed you from the tree, and you have to pick them when they're open. If they are not open, then most people, it is known to be toxic. All right, so we have to wait until it naturally opens like this, and then you take out the pods that are inside. See, the seed comes off, because this one is a little bit soft. All right, and you try to extract the pod. All right, and that's the first stage, extracting the pod from the fruit itself. All right, so that one I don't like what I want to look. Yeah, that one there. And remember guys, you see, once it opens, it starts to decompose, so you have to utilize it quickly, right Diane? All right, so now that you have them like this, right, this part is discarded after that. You don't need that. And we have about what? This about what? 2 dozen? About 2 dozen. All right, the next step is to remove the seeds from the pod, and you just hold the seed and twist it off. All right, that's the pit or seed, and then there is a membrane on the inside that you want to get out, a little red membrane. All right, now this is the most tedious part of the Ackee process, to remove this membrane, because this membrane is vital to remove it, because one, it's not edible, and two, it's not edible. So yeah, you have to get it out. So once this part is done, then we move on to the next step. Let me do one more and show you. All right, you take it like such, and you remove the seed, and then you see, when you open it, you check for the membrane. Some of the time when you're pulling the Ackee from the pod, the membrane comes off into the pod, so that saves you the work. So see, this is a clean one. And then we move to the very next level. Okay, so now that our Ackee is all, you know, cleaned and everything, we just basically rinse them off under the pipe, you know. And you want to be somewhat firm but somewhat gentle, you know. Rinse them off. Alright, to get out all the debris. And from there, we're gonna put it in the pot. Okay, so in this pot we have some water boiling, you know, and you can measure your water based on your pot, and you want to dump in your Ackee. Be careful of splatter, as it just burned me a while ago. And you just get out everything. And then you also want to drop in some garlic. Yeah, drop in about 3 cloves of garlic. So this, and what else, Pimento?
Yes, chef.
and then we're going to drop in some pimento. Alright, and just allow this to come to a boil, and it is done when the ackees are soft. Okay, to the touch. You take a fork and you put that fork in there and the ackees are soft. Alright? Okay. And so after 20 minutes, this is how your ackees should look. And you know they're done when you can insert a fork in them very easily. You don't want them to stay much longer than this because they will now start to break apart. Alright? So you just basically you're finished with them now, and the rest of the process is based on the dish that you're about to create. I won't be making a dish today because I'm just showing you how the ackee is processed, but I'll show you some finishing dishes, you know, different ways in which you can make your ackees. And so guys, remember, Jamaican national dish, from the tree to the pot. It's a beautiful and delicious way to enjoy your Jamaican national fruit. Yeah man, Yardie Belly says so. And for many Jamaicans, ackee is used in many different ways and paired with a lot of different things. You have ackee with corn pork, ackee with saltfish, you have ackee with mushrooms for the vegan folks. And so guys, feel free to check out all the different ways you can make your ackee. I have a ton of videos that I'm going to put in the description box to show you how I make my ackee. So guys, thank you for watching. Peace, love, and remember to subscribe.